guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is HP Deskjet 3755. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1 if you like. In the sense you can copy, scan, and print from this printer. This printer is actually for US audience. I got this printer. It was sent to us from States. And this printer can work with Apple AirPrint, Mopria. It works with USB cable, Wi-Fi satisfied, Bluetooth connection. This printer basically is the dual band. You can connect it to Wi-Fi network or using USB cable. You can also connect this printer to Wi-Fi Direct. If you check my video, you see how we unboxed this printer, connected this printer to Wi-Fi network, printed out alignment head, and also installed the ink. This printer is using ink cartridges 65 or 65 extra large. You also need to be aware or conversant with ink subscription service. If you are in state, this printer, you got 4 months instant ink with this, but you need to register for this service, okay, within 7 days of registering your printer. Check my video, see how we install the ink. This printer with the ink subscription service, okay. A lot of people do receive a lot of questions. People want me to talk a bit more information about this. Basically, you never run out of ink and save up to 50% on ink, okay. So you select your printing plan, then HP will ship ink to your home address at no cost. You enjoy the flexibility. Basically, it's a subscription service that starts with, if you choose 10 pages a month, you pay $0.99 a month or $1.25 Canadian dollar. If you choose 50 pages per month, then you pay $3.99 or $5.49 Canadian dollar. If you choose 100 pages a month, then you need to pay $5.99 or $7.49 Canadian dollar. If you choose 300 pages, you pay $11.99 or $13.99 Canadian dollar. If you choose 700 pages a month, then you need to pay £24.99 or $28.99 Canadian dollar. Basically, you get started with 4 months ink trial. This printer, the ink that came with it is 605, and here it is. We install this ink, okay. So once this is running out, you need to redeem your 4 months trial during setup by creating an HP instant account with a valid debit card and credit card and ship address, okay. Then you start printing with the provided cartridges. When the level are low, a new ink is automatically dispatched at no additional cost, okay. But you must redeem, okay, within 7 days of setting your printer at hpinstantink.com, okay. So this is the essence of it. What I want to show you is actually how to copy document with this printer, okay. Is what I want to show you. To copy a document, you need to select the document. Always make sure that the document you are copying is facing upwards, okay. Where the information is with this printer, you need to make sure the document you want to copy is facing upwards, okay. And stick the document here on the scanner, okay. Now you choose what you can select the copy using the printer, okay. I also want to bring the camera for you to see. With this printer, this is for you to copy color, and this is for you to copy black. This is the web service. This is a Wi-Fi Direct, or this is a Wi-Fi. If you connect this printer to Wi-Fi, the 2 lights will highlight. This is information button. This is for you to resume, and this is for you to cancel. And you can see the number. If you want to copy this document now, okay, we need to select this copy. If you want to copy 2 copies or 2 pages, then you select copy, okay, and change it again. It will change to 2 pages. You can see, and it's going to copy. Here we go. So now this document is copying. If it's copying in the middle of it, if you change your mind, okay, maybe the first page is copied, if you change your mind, you can press cancel. Okay, once this first one is finished, then you press cancel. Okay, you can see the document now, we only copied one page. Okay, and we copied one page. Now if you put it again, okay, here we go. The same thing, if you copy black, for instance, then you select copy black, and they will start copying. So this is how to copy this document. So you can select the information, okay, by copying using the printer or mobile device. Okay, and I also want to show you from the mobile device. Here we go. So now it's going to print it out. You can see this is the document he copied. Initially it didn't print out because I canceled it, okay, halfway. Okay, so this is the document we copied, okay, and we printed it out. Okay, so we copied this document with black and white. If you want to copy it color, okay, if you want to copy color, let's say cancel. So cancel everything, it will go back to 0. To copy color, you need to select copy, and it will start copying color. Okay, it's going in. You can see. Here we go. Now once you copy it, then you wait for the document copied to print out. You can see, so it's printing it color. Okay, now this is the document we copied color, okay, and this is the original one. This is the original one here. We copy this document color, okay, so you just need to select the color. Now, so you copy color from here, copy black, cancel with error. Okay, this is the web, this is the Wi-Fi Direct, this the button here is Wi-Fi, information button, resume and cancel. Okay, now you can also do this copy using your mobile device. If you want to copy using your mobile device, what you need to do is you need to go to HP. Okay, are you done with working? Yes, start a new, go to home page. Okay, so now you will go to home. This is the home page. Okay, so to copy the document using the mobile device, you can select copy. Okay, and make sure you can use your mobile device and copy the document and send this document to the printer to print it out. Okay, you can select using copy the document you want to copy with the mobile device, steal the document, use the mobile device to copy it, and they will process it. For instance, okay, this is the example. This is the document we copied. Now you can print this document out, black or color, from this printer. Only what you need to do is start printing. If you select black, it will start for you to print this document from here. Okay, so this is how to copy the document with this printer. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. This is how to copy the document on HP Deskjet 3755. Thank you and God bless you.